On my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Who am I? Peacock. Long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. Who am I? I am hawk. My feathers are green, my beak's red. Guava and green chili I am fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a noise. Who am I? I am a parrot. Cuckoo is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Dash is my name. Who am I? I am a Koyal or Cuckoo. Dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the sky I fly. Dash is what I am called by. Who am I? I am a vulture. My beak is dark, feathers grey. Cuckoo, I go on all day. In houses I make my home. A dash is how I am known. Who am I? I am a pigeon. My beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home. The dash bird is how I am known. Who am I? I am the Tailor bird. In trunk of trees holes I make. Hidden insects I intake. Tuk 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 I work all day. The dash is what people say. Who am I? I am a woodpecker. If you liked the video, press the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more such videos, subscribe to this channel.